Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about union in 3D and subtract in 3D. So let's get started. First we will learn about union. Union command is used to join two solid objects. So let's see how to do this. For example, I just want to draw here box. Okay, I will just go here to activate this one from here, and I will just give first point, then I will give second point here, and for height I will give this point. Now again I want to just draw a cylinder here on this box. Okay, I will go here, I will click on this drop down arrow, and from here I will choose cylinder option. I will click here to activate this one, and I want to just draw here. Okay, I will give this as a center point, and I will just use like this. Okay, and then second point, this point. Okay, now you can see here clearly that these two are individual object, not joined object. Okay, what if I just want to join these object? Okay, for making a one solid object. So for union I will just go here. This is the option for union. Okay, solid union. You can see I will click to activate this one. First I will select this one, and then I will select second object as this one, and I will hit enter. Now both of these are joined. Okay, you can see when I am going to selecting, both of these objects are going to select. I will just go here and I will change the visual style from 2D wireframe to realistic. I will click here. Now you can see here this is a single object right now. Now the next thing here is a subtract command. Okay, let's see how to use subtract here. I will just go here and I will draw box here. For example, I will just draw a box here. Okay, right now. For now I will just change this to 2D wireframe, and I will go here again and I will just choose a cylinder from here. Okay, and I will just with shift key I will right click and I will choose mid between 2 points. I will give first point as this point, second point as this point, and I will draw in between a cylinder here. Okay, I will just give this dia, and then I will give second point as this point. Okay, now I want to subtract this cylinder from this box. Okay, for making a hole here. So now I will just go here and I will activate subtract command from here. Okay, I will click here to activate this one, and now first I will select that particular object from which I want to subtract any other object. So I want to just subtract this cylinder from this box. Okay, for that I will just click first on box. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now I will select that particular object from which I want to just subtract. Okay, so I want to subtract this one, so I will select this one and then I will hit enter. Now it is going to subtract. I will go here in realistic view. Okay, and now you can see here is a hole in between. Okay, now you can see here this is the method of subtracting. So now let's see one more example for subtract. For that I will just change the visual style to 2D wireframe, and again from here 3D navigation as isometric, southwest isometric. Okay, now I will just create a polysolid here like wall. Okay, so I will just give this point as first point and this point as second point. Okay, and I just want to subtract a window from here. For example, this is a wall and I want to create a window here. For that what I will do, I will just go here and I will click on this drop down arrow and I will create a box here. Okay, now I want to just subtract a window from here on this wall. Okay, so I will just give first point as this point, and in length I will right click and I will go in length option, and I will just give a 5000 millimeter of length. Okay, mean 5 meter. I will hit enter, and in height I will give 4000. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now in width you can see here I will just give a width of wall, so it is 300 millimeter. I will hit enter. Now I just want to subtract this window from this wall. I will just go here and I will just activate subtract command. Okay, and I will select this wall first. I will hit enter. Then next I will select this window and I will hit enter. Now we will go in realistic view and we will see what happened here. Now you can see this is a window here on this wall. Okay, so this is a method of subtracting. I hope you understand both of these, union and subtract as well. I will see you in the next.